Beef Rouladen. I bought some thin sliced beef, and normally you saute some onions, but I put them in the microwave to soften them up a little bit. I got 4 nice thin slices of top round, 1 pickle cut in 4. I got bacon, and I got some tomato paste. When I have a big can tomato paste, sometimes I freeze it in small little bags so it doesn't go bad on me. Then I spread a little bit tomato paste on all 4 pieces of meat. Soft onions on the meat. Put the bacon on the bottom of the bigger part of the meat. And the pickles. And then I start rolling it up very tightly. So I roll them up like this. And then I put a toothpick in, sideways, so it doesn't stick out when I brown them later.
Okay, just so we see the cook.
Breathe out as you lower, and now rest onto the floor. Arms beside your body, head turned.
Just like a surgeon.
Your arms alongside
What's
your
that?
torso.
Okay.
A little bit salt and pepper mix on it. Put it in a very hot pan. With oil. And brown them on each side. Meantime, I will cut some carrots, onions and celery to make the gravy later. Nice and brown. And here we go. And now we are going to brown the vegetables with the meat. Browning the vegetables will take a while. We could put that whole thing in the oven now, but I like it on stovetop so I can watch it and stir it. So when everything starts looking brown, I'm going to take the meat out and start working on the gravy. The meat is not done yet, but it's easier to make the gravy if it's not with the vegetables. So I'm going to put a little tomato paste in there now, let it brown, and then fill it up with some water. Put about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I let it brown. So now I add a little bit red wine. And some diced tomatoes. And a couple cups of water. I stir it. Add 1 bay leaf. Put the meat back in and let it very slowly simmer until the meat is done. It should take about maybe 45 minutes or so, because the meat is very thinly sliced. Okay, okie dokie. Let it come to a boil and turn it down real low. Half a cup of flour and a cup of water or a little more. And I took the Rouladens out of the broth. They're done. It has been an hour. And now slowly I'm going to mix this up.
Okay. All right.
And now I'm going to put the flour and water and thicken up the gravy. And let that cook for a little while so it doesn't taste like flour paste. And then we put the Rouladens back in and let them sit until we serve them. That's it. So I finished it off with some salt, pepper, Worcester, and a little bit ground sage. And I switch it off and it's ready to be served.